Wat hadin arajas nam hakba jusu la yap rei dang yai pau ki kamba ki makrau jemu kata kala jia ka de kber kaba ka don ka jingtap hakabala bu ya kambat ka jong trai jing jusu kres ko ba si panai mencual ong ba wei bre bana Romania lawan hapo jong ne ka jingtap kabala bu ya kambat ka jong trai jing jusu kres malong bodon ya kabor yo I ka baduna ka kamat ka jong hendrai long hawa la rong hapo ta thlio kabala bu ya kambat ka jong jisu lo persiang ban pule kita kidak di belah thok haga ketin grek ukulam itu saya kita kidak ban nre haba lo persiang ban lau no ikiyit kemat ke jong ban pek lagi jong kemat ban kendit long ba lo yo isai kedar ban kata ke jingpang ke badan ni kemat jong kala ja no sendon ban lo yo pat ke jingkoj hagi kemat ke jong
to make out the symbol very well, so he removed his glasses and then all of a sudden he was able to see perfectly. I hear the men screaming inside the tomb saying, I can see. Of course, he was speaking in Romanian. His pastor, who was standing nearby, he translated for me. He said, he can see.
Bak skoi par kambal ong ba weni istamlana po kari Ecuador badon kajing sitom hagi tet so ka khali bak bakta ya ka jebing jong bat kene long bak la penlong ya kamat bakan yap siliang bat ba unum la ban yang long mo mau bat rengkat ke yang kesem jong kelewan hakane ka jaka bat hawa kilarung hak ka jaka ka bala bu I kamat ke jong Jesus Christ long bagi le duai bat kesan uta usamla ula lenjar bat ula jam bat banadu kata khlip mat long bak ka jing sitom ka badon kamat ke jong
We're praying, all of a sudden they hear their son crying. The husband turned around to look back to see what was going on, and then all of a sudden they see their son standing there, and that was the miracle. The healing took place at that moment.
Before that healing, Giancarlo's sister had lost her faith.
She couldn't understand why God would allow such a thing to happen to her brother. But then after she saw the healing that God performed in her brother's body, that became the turning point in her life.
I simply want to say that Giancarlo is proof that God is real.
As for Giancarlo's whole family now,
they're all involved in ministry, serving the Lord.
Liz experienced his own miracle when a visiting Brazilian pastor came out of the tomb, insisting God just told him to pray for Fleitas's healing. Little did he know, Fleitas had been suffering from sharp liver pains for years.
And he looked at me and he said to me, I want you to understand that the power comes from the Lord. It is the Lord God Almighty that heals you. And then he anointed me with oil and he prayed over me. And that sharp pain that I was experiencing was gone, completely gone.
And forever?
Yes, it's gone.
Kadang yala mi ginong chok kai perthai kali thu bakadot ko ginong Japan bom pat sumlangai Jisu ale ko bom don jing tip ai eru am sapang Jisu haba kala le yalam kai ka sakajaka ka bai khot ka maloi kli ne ka Kolkata ka ba langai ba hanta rasa na plai o Jisu Christ bat hadin na pangilawan ban poi hata ka per ka ba don ka jing tap ka bala bu ikamat ka jong trai ji Jisu Christ kala thu baring khat kata ka briu kala yam mat kala jauh umat bat kala keren haktin ke pajam kalau ang ba ngayo iyo Jisu bau da phong ringkat bat kapan sungat sia haga kli ke jong
with a crown on his head. Now this is a woman who didn't know anything about the gospel stories, and she said it's
kini kilong tangkat tu kan ikamba ikaba nang jia kan ke jaka haga bala bu ikambat ke jong traji Jisu Christ arajas nang mensua tinam takan dengan por ngan penkut nak suang ni kan sia siam pat nak kawi ke video ku boleh sibon ni pi barang